Hey guys, Quarantine Bomber here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this with this. And here are all the products that we are gonna need for this recipe. And the good thing is that they are so cheap and easy to find that you may already have some at home. But before start, let's make sure to wear our safety equipment. Alright, and for this process all we're gonna need is some minced meat, bacon, tomato, onion, some iceberg salad, some herb mix, and some hamburger bread. Alright, let's start. Take your mincemeat and add some herb mix and work the meat with your hands. Gently pour the herb mix and work the meat with your bare hands until you get an homogeneous mix. Alright, now take the meat and with your hands try to create your hamburger, which should look like this. And look at that beauty. At this point, what I like to do is to prepare all the other ingredients so that we have everything ready when we need it. And remember, before using any of your vegetables, wash them first. Okay, and to speed up the process, I both already washed salad. Next, all we need to do is to cut the tomato into slices, and all we need to have is just one amazing knife. And look at that! Now, do the same thing with your onion. And just like that, we already prepared everything we need. We just need to cut it out our bread. And now it's a good time to heat up your cooking plate. And remember, we want that very, very hot.
One eternity later.
Once the cooking plate has heated up, we can start cooking our meat. And if your cooking plate is large enough, we can toast our bread while our meat is cooking. Just like that. And once your bread is toasted, we can start cooking our amazing bacon. And now, with this common tool that you all have at home, flip the hamburger over. Just like that. And once our hamburger is cooked, all we need to do is to assemble it and eat it. So, let's take some of our salad and place on the bottom of our bread. Then, let's take some tomato and do the same thing. Now, what I like to do is to take our hamburger and put it on the top. And look at that! Now, what I like to do usually is to use some hot sauce on the top of the hamburger. And look at that! Now, take some of the onion and place it on the top. And finally, last but not least, your bacon. And just like that, and look at that beauty! Ain't that a monster? And now, all we have to do is eat it.